More money to be won here and Who Wants to be a Millionaire? 20,000 pesos so far ang naipunan ni Nestor. Magiging 35,000 pesos to kung tama ang sagot niya sa tanong na ito. Anong lalawigan ng Marble Capital of the Philippines? Ang sinagot niya ay letter D, Romblon. Nestor, meron ka ng 35,000 pesos. Question number 7 for 50,000 pesos. Alin ang isang Chinese language? A. Mandarin, B. Sichuan, C. Hakao, D. Yangchao.
Parang may elimination, pagkain lahat yung iba eh. So I would say it's A. Mandarin.
Bakit hindi mo pagkain ng Mandarin?
Well, Mandarin is the official language, but they also have Hokkien, they also have the aboriginal languages of Western China.
Yung Mandarin na prutas.
Masarap din yun, bossing.
So, sagot mo ay?
Letter A, Mandarin, bossing.
That's your final answer.
That's my final answer, bossing.
Sabi mo nga, parang ginutom ako dito.
Oo nga eh.
Hakao, may Yangchao.
Mukhang Chinese restaurant na tayo dalawa pagkatapos.
Pero, ang Mandarin ay ang tamang sagot. Wala. Pakit lang. Question number 8. Ito na. For 70,000 pesos, here's a question. Sa police radio code, ano ibig sabihin ng 10-4? A. Fire at will. B. Repeat message. C. Affirmative. D. In pursuit.
Hindi naman ako police, so parang medyo I'd like to use a lifeline, boss.
Anong lifeline ang gusto mong gamitin, Nestor?
Phone a friend, boss.
For a friend, sino ang gusto mo tawagan?
Yung brother ko, si Francisco.
Francisco. Okay. Tawagan natin si Brad Francisco.
Hello?
Hello, Francisco?
Hello?
Is this Francisco?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Big Soto of Who Wants to be a Millionaire?
Oh, hi, bossing.
Hi, kamusta?
I'm good.
Ayos lang. Kasama ko si brother mo, si Nestor. At gusto niya magpatulong sa iyo sa isang tanong na nagkakahalaga ng 70,000. Mag-usap kayo. You have 30 seconds. Nestor, timer starts now.
Brad, sa police radio code, anong ibig sabihin ng 10-4? A. Fire at will. B. Repeat message. C. Affirmative. D. In pursuit.
Affirmative?
Affirmative? Sigurado ka?
Alam
Affirmative
ko,
talaga.
affirmative yung 10-4 na ano eh.
Sige.
All right or okay.
Okay.
10-4. Okay?
Sige, thank you.
Alright.
Pag lumasot to, libre kita.
Sige.
Pang hindi. Ikaw libre niya.
Mukhang magiging yun. So I trust my brother, so I would answer C. Affirmative.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer, boss.
Affirmative. Whew, is correct. Then 4, good buddy. Question number 9 for 100,000. May dalawa ka pang lifelines. Anong dessert ang ipinangalan sa isang balerina? A. Tiramisu. B. Pavlova, C. Panacota, D. Flan.
I think I would have to avail of another lifeline.
Anong lifeline gusto mo, Nestor?
50-50, bossing.
Tatanggalin ng computer ang dalawang maling sagot. Tignan mo. Hop! Ang natira ay B. Pavlova, D. Flan.
So I guess it would be B. Pavlova. Pavlova.
Is that your final answer?
It's my final answer, boss.
Mahilig ka ba sa matamis? Dessert? Anong paborito mo?
Leche flan, actually.
Pavlova is correct. Pinangalan kay Anna Pavlova. Parang merengue yan na may mga cream at fruit. Parang kumpleto tayo. May mga pagkain kanina, may pa-dessert pa ngayon.
Chinese food muna, tapos...
And now, here's a question for a guaranteed 150,000 pesos. Ano ang pinakamalaking bulaklak sa buong mundo? A. Flower of an hour. B. Kadupol flower. C. Rafflesia. D. Semper Augustus.
I think it's C. Rafflesia. I think it's also found here in this country. So I would answer C. Rafflesia.
Final answer?
Final answer, boss.
Nakakita ka na ba dyan?
I think it was featured somewhere, eh. It's colored red. It's a horrifying sight, actually.
And the horrifying smell.
Yes.
Tama kaya ang pang-amoy ni Nestor? Alamin natin sa pagbabalik ng Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Ito ang paboritong game show ng mundo. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Panalo ang Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. That's my final answer.
Who Wants to Be a Millionaire is brought to you by Pantene Hair Fall Control.